Hey, Fred Lam here, and welcome to Atrix TV. Now, in this first episode, I want to share with you how you can make 300 bucks a day at any age, even if you are 15. Now, first thing first, let's really break down how much 300 bucks a day is. So, if you take 300 bucks a day, multiply it by 30 days, that is $9,000 in a single month. That is more money than what an average doctor or even lawyer makes. But how do you do it? Well, it's very simple. First of all, we need to understand what we are selling first. So in order for you to actually make $9,000 in a single month, we can actually sell $10 products. If it's $10 products, then that really means that we need to only sell 900 products in a single month, and you can make 300 bucks a day. Now, if you want to basically sell something that is high ticket, maybe selling a car, selling a real estate, selling just a couple units will allow you to make $9,000 in a single month. However, how do you get started? What can I do, or what can you do to start generating 300 bucks a day at any age, regardless of where you are at around the world? So let me actually break these out for you and share some of the options that you have. The first one is obviously e-commerce. E-commerce is one of my vehicle for my success. I love e-commerce. And under e-commerce, there's really two areas that you can actually get started right now. The first, we call it drop shipping. Now, if you have been a follower and a subscriber of my YouTube channel, you will see a Shopify Masterclass series where I share everything about how you can start drop shipping with Shopify to actually start easily making 300 bucks a day. Again, all you need is to sell 10 products, okay? At $30 a pop, that's 300 bucks. You can sell 300 products at simply $1 a pop, that makes 300 bucks. So it really depends on what you are selling. Now, under e-commerce, there's also Amazon. We all know that Amazon now is $1 trillion business. And there are many millionaires being created, all thanks to Amazon, by again, selling products on Amazon. Now, that's e-commerce. The second thing that you can actually do to start making 300 bucks a day is simply affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, what you can do is simply sell other people's products so that you don't actually have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about creating the product. All you're doing is simply getting people, attracting prospects or attracting customers to actually buy other people's products so that you make a commission right in between. Now, as an affiliate, you make upwards of 75% commission by selling other people's products. So essentially, if that person's product that you are affiliating with is $100, you make $75 a pop. So you only need to actually sell 4 units in a single day, and you already start making 300 bucks a day. Now, with affiliate marketing, there are a lot of ways that you can actually affiliate market. You can build an email list, you can simply drive traffic, you can run ads. There are a lot of ways. Now, if you want to actually start making 300 bucks a day with affiliate marketing, the one advice that I can give you is start with ClickBank. ClickBank is a digital marketplace where there are thousands of products that are proven to convert and that are proven that people want those products, and you can actually sell and affiliate with them and start making upwards of 75% commission. Now, the next item is agency. You can simply create an agency with no money, and all you do is attract customers and clients to let them give you money to run their ads, to run their online business. This is a very lucrative business because A, you're not using your own money. You're using other people's money and play with other people's money while you make a cut right in between. And as an agency, you can charge upwards of thousands of dollars per month by simply helping people run their social media campaign, create their website, run their ads, run traffic, and you essentially can just work at home and meet with your clients once in a single month to give them an update of what is going on. Now, the next strategy that you can use to start making $300 a day, which is a very lucrative business, is called lead generation. Now, what is lead gen? In all honesty, when I was at BMW, we get pitched all the time by these companies, and they're just mom and pop, one or two people running the business on simply giving us leads to actually sell. So what do? Very simple. You can create, let's say, a real estate website that is a blog that talks about the latest mortgage, that talks about what is happening within your city about housing. And all you do is simply create a lead generation form to simply have people give you their contact information that you can align with either another real estate agent that you can actually help them close the sale. So what you're essentially doing is you're selling leads. These leads can be buying cars. These leads can be buying a house. These leads can be mortgages. These leads can be home insurance, car insurance. There are a lot of things that you can do. So all you're doing is joint venture with someone that have a license to actually sell these services, and all you're doing is just giving them leads and making a referral fee right in between. And by doing so, again, you can easily start making $9,000 a month or $300 a day by simply just generating leads for the service or sales business. So in all honesty though, the business model is there. There are many ways that you can start hustling and start making $300 a day. But there's one caveat to the entire equation, which is traffic. You can have the best business. You can have the best lead generation form. You can have the best affiliate marketing strategy. You can have the best e-commerce business. However, without traffic, none of these businesses exist. So for you, you need to first master the arts of media buying and become a media buyer first. Because at that point, when you understand how to drive traffic as a media buyer, it gives you the ability to create whatever business you want and make way more than just $300 a day. You can make thousands or tens of thousands of dollars a day if you master the art of traffic. And when it comes to traffic, there are obviously several forms of traffic. There are social media, which is Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. There are search engine, which is Google, Yahoo, and Bing. There are display network, which is simply placing banners on other people's websites. There are GSP, which is Gmail sponsored ads. There are CPV, which we call cost per view. There are many strategies in place for you to start driving traffic. But like I said, in order for you to actually start making $300 a day, you can apply these business models, but without traffic, you are not going to get anywhere. Now, this is the first episode of our Attrix.tv. And inside our episode and many more episodes to come, I'm going to share with you how you can be a media buyer, how you can drive as much damn traffic as you want to any business that you own or to any of your clients' business. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will even start breaking down how to make $300 per day on e-commerce, how to make $300 a day on affiliate marketing, how to make $300 a day on agency, how to make $300 a day on lead generation in full details. And I'll also share with you the traffic strategies that you need to use to apply for your business. So seriously, making $300 a day is simple. It's a mindset thing. You just have to say to yourself, you can do it, and you just need the knowledge in order for you to do it. The business model is the easy part. The most important part that you need to master is traffic. And again, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my websites, because right now, today, moving forward, I want you to acquire the #1 skill set that you need if you want to make a lot of money online or a lot of money for your business, is really mastering traffic and become a media buyer.